Gold futures have seen a rise of prices of almost 8% since July 8th. And here to talk about whether it's time for you to get in or out is Jim Cramer. Jim, what do you think?
All right, Joe, I think that if you're a trader, start all over again, sell, and then come back in. If you're an investor, these levels should mean absolutely nothing to you. They're just a little bit difference. But I think if you want to look at the stocks, okay, I know there's a lot of people who want to be in the juniors. I want to be out of the seniors and into the juniors because the juniors seem to have, I think, a little bit more of a reservoir of gold. These older companies are really tapped out. I certainly don't want to be in those. So gold, I think, is fine for an investment. Good to get out for a trade and then reload. Because we don't know where interest rates are going to go, but we know that when interest rates spike, gold really got hammered. And the senior gold stocks sell, junior gold stocks buy. It's a lot of complications there, but that's how I want to play it.
So do you see a lot of these junior gold miners possibly being acquisition targets?
I think you almost have to.
Yeah.
I mean, one of the things that we're seeing over and over again is there's just a depletion of gold by the majors. They never like to talk about it, okay? They're never going to come out and say, listen, we're kind of out of gold, we're out of the cheap gold, whatever. But the juniors seem to be, this is very much like biotech, okay? The big pharma companies buy the biotech companies in order to get the pipeline. The big gold companies have to take a page from pharma and buy little guys for the pipeline.
I was talking to a trader recently who said you should really pay attention to geography for those types of acquisitions.
Well, I've always felt that there's a lot of places where you don't want to be. Also, I know from some disastrous gold stocks, of which I followed all of them, Canada's great, but because it's a free market. These other countries, a lot of countries, I think, like Venezuela has always been maybe next year, maybe next year, maybe next year. Mexico's terrific. And I think this new president is make it so that if there is gold there and you have Mexico, you'll be in good shape.
Okay, Jim, thanks so
Thank you,
much. Well, keep an eye on junior gold miners. The price of gold getting a little bit high, so possibly a time to sell. For The Street, I'm Deaux. That's Jim Cramer.